Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of BD Diesel Performance's fuel heater kit. Hey guys, Wade here for Thoroughbred Diesel. We would love some feedback from you guys about some of our cold weather videos that we've done. You know, a couple of years ago we did a cold weather video and we talked about the importance of checking your batteries, changing your fuel filter, and using a fuel additive. But we really want to know what you guys want to see us do, and we're talking in terms of cold weather videos. What do you want to see? Do you want to see more fuel heater videos? Do you want us to see us do some fuel additive comparisons? Do you want to see us do some cold starts, some old grimy cold starts? Whatever you guys want to see, we're going to try to accommodate you and get that for you. Let us know. BD Diesel came out with a fuel heater kit for their own lift pump, aftermarket lift pump, the Flowmax kit. And they also added 2 more part numbers to the lineup for a fuel heater kit for the air dogs and also for the fast fuel systems. Now, this time of year, one of the big things that you want to look for, especially you guys in cold climates, is making sure that you are trying to protect your truck and the fuel system from gelling up in the wintertime. These fuel heaters, they do an awesome job of that. Now, this is a 320 watt fuel heater. This is a very high performance fuel heater. This kit in particular is for the Air Dog. BD sent this up for our shop truck, which is going to have an Air Dog 2165 kit on it. So this kit, I want to show you everything that comes inside of the kit and talk just a little bit about it. Let's talk about their wiring harness. Very heavy duty wire inside of this, really nice loom. Just talk general operation of the wiring harness, where everything's going to hook up. This is your constant power source. This will go right to the battery. You've got an inline fuse here. Then you have your relay system, the constant power into the relay. And then your trigger power is going to come from the signal actually going to your lift pump itself. So this, for the Air Dogs, this hooks directly up to the wiring harness at your Air Dog lift pump, and that's where its on or trigger source comes from. And then at the end of the cord, you have the power hookup for the fuel heater itself. Now, this is the fuel heater disc that comes with it. Again, this is a 320 watt fuel heater disc. This is thermostatically controlled, so as colder temperatures, the fuel heater's on. As it warms up, the fuel heater eventually turns off. Does a really good job of that. Inside of the kit, you will also get 2 different fittings for the Air Dog systems. This is only for the Air Dog kits. This will come with the Air Dog fitting for the Air Dog 1, the original Air Dog. It has a different thread inside of it's a different size inside of the body of the Air Dog. And then for the Air Dog 2 and Air Dog 2 4G, you have a different fitting as well, which is a little bit larger fitting. So BD sends you both of the inserts to do either one of the Air Dogs that you have. You're going to have a nut that holds the heating element to the new fuel filter standpipe. Then it's going to come with a little bit of Loctite for you that goes on the nut as it holds the heater disc on. Now, you're also going to get in your kit, you're going to get a full instruction manual with really good instructions in it, and then your warranty card. Adam, I want to kind of show you on a fuel filter where this is going to go. These fuel filter heaters are going to go at your inlet side of your lift pump. So on the Air Dogs, that's going to be on the water separator side. So show you how this is going to go. So quick run through of it. You're going to unscrew the filter stand that's going to come in the pump, and then you're going to install this. This is going to then, you're going to put your heater on just like so, and then this nut is going to draw the heater up and hold everything tight. I'll run that up there real quick. All right, so now we're on the inlet side of our Air Dog pump. So that's going to be our water separator. There is a rubber O-ring on this. In fact, I got that backwards, which sucks because now I have to turn that over. So we're going to ad lib through this video, and I don't know why I didn't see that, folks. Sorry about that. So I'm going to turn that over. The thick O-ring on this is actually going to be going on the filter base side. So your thick O-ring that comes in the kit, it's recessed in this heater, that goes to the filter side. So now I'm going to put my new fitting in here, and then I'm going to put the nut on. So I do it the right way. The reason why you know that you don't do that is because you don't double O-ring it. So as soon as I saw that, I was like, you know what, that's going to be double O-ring because I've got an O-ring on the water separator, so you don't do that. Then your water separator is going to screw right on here, and that's going to provide heat to the first fuel that enters into the system. The fuel coming directly from the tank that the lift pump is picking up, that's what's going to get heated first. That's going to heat everything else in the system. So it's going to be, you're going to have good, nice, warm heat for everything. It's a really, really nice kit. Again, I know I keep saying this is a 320 watt kit. This is going to get the fuel warmed up. You guys that are operating and when you see 0 and below temperatures, this is definitely going to be the kit that you're going to want to get to keep you from having a fuel filter gel up or your fuel system gel up on your system. So we will do an install video on this next week, so check that out. That's going to be on our LML, and that has been the unboxing of the BD fuel heater kit. So check out the link to the buy in the description of this video. We'll get you over so you can get one of these for your trucks. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe to our channel.